What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So this is Wreath Kit 66. Okay. So I am gluing my mountain square directly to this sign. Go ahead and just put the glue on there. We're gonna make our bow. So we're gonna make a 8-inch tail first. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start off with an 8-inch loop, pinch and twist. 8-inch loop, pinch and twist. So now we're gonna do 4 9-inch loops. Pinch and twist. So 4 9-inch loops. Pinch and twist, y'all. It's a really pretty day today out here. You can hear the birds chirping. Okay, so now we're gonna move up to our 9-inch loops. Pinch and twist. So we did 8, 9. No, I need 10-inch. 10-inch, y'all. It's because the first one was 9. So then we're gonna do our 4 11-inch loops. Okay. So I just made that whole loop just right there, sitting in the back of that bundle of ribbon. I'm gonna use my pipe cleaner. Y'all know I'm normally a zip tie person. If you have zip ties, you can use zip ties, but I'm just using what came in the kit. Okay, so y'all, this is what our bow looks like. A really pretty nice full bow. Like I said, if you do it on the Easy Bow Maker, you're gonna start with your from your bottom to the top. Okay, I always just do my bows from top to bottom, so it's really out of habit though. And also I've tried to do it from the bottom to the top and it's not happening for me. Mine come out so weird. Next, we're gonna come in with our 2 bushes of 62692, and this has purple and yellow mixed into it with pink, and I thought it was really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna put some hot glue on that stem. Coming right back behind that bow. Y'all, these wreath kits are really super quick and easy to make. And I really love the wreath kits because I really took like the guesswork out of it for y'all, because I know a lot of people always struggle with, well, I don't know what florals to use, I don't know what sign to use, I don't know what ribbon to use. You know, you get it all in a wreath kit. So I'll come back underneath that bow. This is actually a really great greenery. I love this greenery as well. Okay, so I'm just going in and adding this greenery throughout. That was 3 pieces. I think I'm gonna add a 4th piece up here at the top. Okay, so now I'm gonna come down to the bottom, and I'm kind of adding it in like in a triangle motion. I'll show you right now how I'm doing it. So I put 1 off to the left. So this stem right here, this is my longer stem. I'm gonna save this for the bottom part, okay? So I do have a shorter one. This one's gonna go off to the right of that stem. Really filling that in. And now how this stem was our longer stem, I'm gonna put this, and it's gonna kind of complete our triangle pattern. So put 1, 2, lift that stem up just a little bit, and 3. So we have our 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I did have that extra stem, so that's what I added in there as well, because I didn't want to lose any of it. I didn't want to just waste it away. Okay. Okay. So that pipe cleaner went through the grapevine. I put that pipe cleaner through the grapevine. And now that's on the top. Now I'm going to put the pipe cleaner through the bottom. Okay. So y'all, this was Wreath Kit 66. This one does come with the sign, the purple ribbon, 2 flowering sprays, and then 1 greenery filler spray. Okay.